Let's talk about using calendar filters. I'm using a freelancer account with a calendar view role. Simply go to Calendar, click on the filter icon on the top right corner to select single or multiple locations to filter the appointments assigned to me. I can switch over different views, such as daily, 3-day, weekly, or monthly view. This is helpful for me to see individual appointments or events for the selected locations. What I always see depends on the filters I selected in the calendar. I have now switched over to a business owner's account. If you're a business owner or have admin rights, you can view all the appointments across different team members and locations. Use the filters across the calendar screens to select team members, locations, and view individual appointments. If you have selected the team member that you want to view, and go to Daily View to see individual appointments assigned to them.